In this video, we'll talk about calculating wave velocity, and I'll make yet another passionate plea for you to use the blue sheet method, which will help you a great deal on the test, the MCAS test. Let's read this problem. Caitlin observes waves at the beach. She finds that their frequency is 0.6 hertz and that their wavelength is 20 meters. What is the velocity of the waves? First question, do you need a formula here? Of course you do, yes. Do you know that formula right now? Be honest, sitting here right now, do you know the formula? You're kidding, right? Listen, I might not know the formula. I know a lot of them. Sometimes I've got to look them up too. So sitting there on that test, you're not going to know this formula. So what's the best way to go? To find the formula and to calculate the correct answer. Well, the answer is a blue sheet. That's the best way to go. It's designed to help you find that formula and then to use it and get the right answer. Your video code comes from the Patriots. Here's the same problem. Now I've circled the information we're given here and also what we're looking for. Now this is what a blue sheet looks like. Of course you can't use it on the test, can you? But you can copy it or do it a problem the blue sheet way, can't you? First you write down what you're given. Well, we're given frequency of 0.6 hertz. I wrote it down. I would have done it there. I do it here though on a blank piece of paper. Wavelength is 20 meters. That would go there, but I'll put it here. Remember, lambda is for wavelength. What are we looking for? Velocity. That's our question mark, and that's your blue sheet method. Now, with these three things here, you can find that formula, can't you? Let's see if you can. Let's see if we can here. Get my pen ready. Let's see. What do we got? F, lambda, and V. Look around for a while. F, lambda, and V. Isn't that it? There it is right there. All right. So change color. And let's see. My formula, I'll put my formula here. I'll put it here. And then I'll start filling in. I'm looking for V, so I keep that. I have my F, don't I? 0.6. My lambda is 20. And your V is going to be 12. Of course, velocity, that's meters per second, isn't it? Sure. And there's our answer. Easy enough, right? I'm serious about this. I think very few of you, if any of you, actually would remember that formula from memory. You've got to find it, don't you? And this here is it shows you what to use to find it. F, lambda, and V. That's your blue sheet method, and you can do that on the page. There's blank space on every page of your MCAS. You can do it there. All right, to summarize 2 points here from this video. First, this formula here. V equals frequency times wavelength. That's an important formula that you'll need to use a couple, 3 times on the test. And then second is use the freaking blue sheet method. You have to. Now the reality of this is, let me read this. Here's the reality of the situation, folks. The reality is that most of you will not be able to find the correct formula for a problem like the one below here without the blue sheet method. If you read it and you don't do a blue sheet, you're going to sit there saying, well, what do I do next? I don't know what to do. I don't know what the formula is. And if you're too lazy to do something like the blue sheets, you're going to guess. You're going to guess at the answer. Think that's going to be very successful? No. And this does not take long. Write these things down, go to your sheet, find your formula, found it, fill it in and do it. You will increase the probability of you getting a correct answer by 4 or 5 times if you do it. If you're too lazy, then, well, you'll be guessing. Sorry to bend your ear on that again, but it's reality and it's easy to do. Bye.